When we started off our journey in 1999, we were the first batch of students and we had all the opportunities. We were exposed to various corporate lectures, we were exposed to industry visits, and I should be thankful to my professor, Dr. Appanaya, who was then director of Surana MBA program, who had actually given us a lot of opportunities to explore and go forward with respect to our MBA program. In fact, we learned a lot during our guest lectures, and at the same time, the kind of seminars what we were allowed to present in front of the students and teachers were phenomenal. The kind of support we got from the faculty members were also awesome, and this led our growth story, and the foundation was laid very, very strong. Surana, as we have seen from the year 1999 till date, it has seen a very progressive growth. There is a very important milestones which the college has achieved, from a college to autonomous status to the university level, which is in pipeline, is one of the most phenomenal growth which I have seen as a student. And I've been closely watching my alma mater for the fact that it is giving a lot of opportunities to youngsters, not only in the field of education but also in the field of sports, culture, dramatics, music, and it has produced a lot of sportsmen too. And this is one of the important things and key features for any institution to progress and contribute to the country and to the nation as such.